What is the iterative process for student problem solving? Have you ever faced a tough problem in school and wondered how to tackle it? The iterative process for student problem solving is a practical way to approach challenges. It involves a series of steps that help students understand and resolve issues effectively. Let's break it down into manageable parts. First, students need to identify and understand the problem. This means clearly defining what the issue is. They should ask themselves what information they have and what they still need to know. Reading the problem carefully and restating it in their own words can help clarify any uncertainties. Next, students develop a plan or strategy. Based on their understanding, they choose a method to solve the problem. This could involve brainstorming different ideas or breaking the problem into smaller, more manageable parts. It is important to select the most promising approach that feels right for them. Once they have a plan, it is time to implement it. Students carry out their chosen strategy by applying the relevant skills or tools. This might mean performing calculations, conducting experiments, or creating a model. Taking action is a vital step in the process. After trying a solution, students evaluate the results. They check if their solution solves the problem correctly. Reflecting on what worked well and what didn't is essential. They should consider if the answer makes sense and if it meets the requirements of the problem. If the solution is not satisfactory, students revise their understanding or approach and try again. This is where the iterative nature of the process comes into play. It is a loop where students learn through trial, error, and reflection. This cycle continues until they find an effective solution. This approach helps students build resilience and adaptability, which are important skills for academic success, especially during their freshman year. Practical applications for freshmen include breaking homework or projects into smaller steps and revisiting their work to improve it. Collaborating in study groups can also be beneficial. Students can share different solutions, evaluate them together, and refine their understanding. Using reflection journals to note what strategies helped or hindered their progress can provide valuable insights. Viewing mistakes as learning opportunities rather than failures encourages a growth mindset. By practicing iterative problem solving, students gain confidence in handling unfamiliar or complex challenges. This makes their transition into college-level work smoother and more successful. So, the iterative process for student problem solving is a step-by-step approach that empowers students to tackle challenges with confidence. By following these steps, they can develop effective strategies for academic success.